Hi guys, I'm bored because I can't play with my slime, so I'm going to go downstairs and try and get it with no one seeing me. Let's go. Okay, now we can't be seen because I think my sister's in the room. I'm just going to check. Okay, good, she's not. Okay. I don't know if my mum's in her room because the door's locked, but phew. Now we have to be quiet. I'm playing with my unicorn. So now we have to be very quiet. Now I'm going to open it. Now I have to try and open this. It's cold. It makes farting noise. See? It's slimy. Sticks to your hand and it farts. Sticking. And wow. And it's very stinky. Well, you can't even hold it. Okay, I'm going to do some more farting noise. It makes loud farting noise. Like slime, but water slime is just like that. Because it sounds like water. See? Very gooey. Sorry guys, I have to go because I don't want to get caught with my slime. It's fun to play with. It's a whole jar of slime. Sorry, I have to go.